Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Zara Black. It's always a good day to unbox Saint Laurent. What is it called again? Lucy or something? I can't even remember what this bag is called. It's like Lucy or something. This bag is called This is the Toy Lulu bag. I think I bought it for my birthday like 2 years ago. I absolutely love it. This was before the Saint Laurent and every designer price rise, to be very honest with you. So I was actually really happy that I got this when I did. I got it in the brown because I thought I'd get a lot of wear out of it. I got it in this soil brown color. I absolutely love it. I do wear a lot of browns and creams. I do wear a lot of black. I have a lot of black bags, so that would be the go-to, but I thought let's be a bit different. Let's get something that's not going to be so, basic, like black. And I just thought it's a beautiful bag, beautiful envelope bag. It can be casual, it can be dinner, that sort of thing. So when you open up the bag, obviously there's sort of 2 compartments in them. It's very small in this bag, I must say. It's very small. I think this size is called the toy size, and it's very, very small. So let me just put my purse. My purse is quite bulky, this Coach purse, but I absolutely love it for all my bags that are smaller. So that literally fits right inside there, as you can see. Absolutely perfect fit. I don't believe this fits my iPhone 13 Pro Max inside. But if it does, it's very, very tight. So as you can see, it does fit my purse. You can obviously fit a full-size lipstick in there as well. If I wanted to, your lip gloss and your purse, to be honest with you. Just like that. It's just going to be your keys. Maybe if you've got a smaller phone as well, that it might fit in there as well. Whatever you need to bring along with you. But it is quite a tight space. So I'm talking just the purse, the keys, the gloss and the phone, that sort of thing, or a card holder. You're not getting that much into it. But then again, it is a very good size for not taking too much, which is why I said you could do day to night with this very, very easily. It comes with a leather strap, so no chain straps with this one. I've got it on the very final setting, as you can see. And I am 5'6", so doing it crossbody like this is perfect for me. Just want you to see the drop, so I'll just stand for you. So it drops here, so I think that's absolutely perfect for me. Just at my waist, so I can get in, get out, get in, get out, that sort of thing. Another good thing about this, I don't know if over time it will deflate, but I love how puffy it is. It's really, really puffy, and I absolutely love that about this bag. It's so gorgeous, and I'm just so happy that I got it in this color with the gold hardware, because it's just absolutely beautiful, to be honest with you. I love how puffy it is. It's so small. I believe I got it from matches.com. These straps are detachable as well, so if you were to do a night out, you could just hook it off. You could just throw this in another bag, leave it in your car, or just fold it back in the bag as well. You could totally do that and, have it as a clutch. That could look quite cute if you want to throw on some heels, some mules, and look really cutesy. That's also very possible with this Toy Lulu. With the gold hardware, as you can see, I can literally hold it with one hand. It is so cute. Just to give you a close-up so you can appreciate that leather. And that is it. Give this video a thumbs up if this bag is so cute. If you've got one of these, let me know in the comments down below what color you have, or you're thinking of getting one. Let me know what color you're thinking of getting as well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about it, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Happy to answer any questions, comments, concerns about this bag, so do not be afraid. If you've liked this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel where I have other similar videos to this that might interest you. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see outfits with this bag as well, go on over to my Instagram at Zara Black, where you can find me. I might be wearing this bag from time to time, or other bags that might be of interest to you too. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.